Hi, I'm Kirti Panchbhai from Engineers Classes. Let's move forward with polynomials. This is your exercise 2.2, question 1 and question 2. Exercise 2.2, question 1. What is question 1? Find the value of polynomial. So, polynomial is given as 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 2. So, you have to find the value of this polynomial for 3 values. Coming to first question, you have p of x is equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. सबसे पहले at x is equals to 0 पे उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. मतलब आपको p of 0 फाइंड करना है, yes or no? So क्या आएगा 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 plus 3. As you can see 5 into 0 0 minus 4 into 0 0. So left with 3. So P of 0. क्या आ गया आंसर 3. Is this clear? Very simple. Next question. You have to find the value at x equals to minus 1. Now at the place of x you have to keep minus 1. So ultimately you are finding P of minus 1. So let's keep the value 5. x के place पे क्या रखना है minus 1 minus 4. x के place पे क्या रखना है minus 1 whole square plus 3. Is this clear? So you have 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5. Now see minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole square. So your answer will comes down to positive 1 plus 3. So you have minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 plus 3 and minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. So basically P of minus 1 क्या आ गया आपके पास minus 6. Is this clear? मैं थर्ड इधर कर रही हूँ. You have to find at x is equals to 2. That is you have to find P of 2. Let's keep the value. So 5 x के प्लेस पे क्या रखना है 2 minus 4 x के प्लेस पे क्या रखना है 2 whole square plus 3. So you have 5 2s are 10 minus 2 square. What is 2 square? 2 2s are 4. What is 4 into 4? 16 plus 3. So 10 minus 16 is minus 6 plus 3. So minus 3. So P of 2 क्या आ गया आपके पास minus 3. Is this clear? So this was very easy question. You just have to find the value of polynomial at x equals to 0, minus 1 and 2. So basically you have to find P of 0, P of minus 1 and P of 2. Is this clear? Coming to second question. Find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. So for each of the following polynomials. So 4 polynomials are given and for all the 4 polynomials you have to find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. That means हर एक polynomial के लिए पहले आपको x equal to 0 रखना है, मतलब P of 0 फाइंड करना है. फिर x equals to 1 रखना है तो P of 1 फाइंड करना है. x equals to 2 रखना है फिर P of 2 फाइंड करना है. अब इसमें से मैं सॉल्व कर रही हूँ 1 and 3. 2 and 4 आपको खुद सॉल्व करना है जिसका आंसर मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगी. डन. सो आई एम सॉल्विंग 1 and 3. यू हैव टू डू 2 and 4. बट सबसे पहले यहाँ पे ध्यान दो, बाद में करना है. तो देखो 1 P of y is given as y square minus y plus 1. As you can see the variable is in terms of y. तो यहाँ पे y आ गया. यहाँ पे वेरिएबल t के टर्म्स में है तो t के टर्म्स में और बाकी दोनों तो x के टर्म्स में. So let's first find out for P of 0. P of 0 का मतलब क्या है? We have to find the value of this polynomial at y is equal to 0. So 0 minus 0 plus 1. So 0 0 तो चला गया. तो P of 0 की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 1. Is this clear? Very simple. Let's check for P of 1. P of 1 के लिए देखो तो 1 square 1 minus again 1 plus 1. As you can see 1 minus 1 0. So you're left with 1. So P of 1 क्या आ गया? 1. पता चल रहा है? बहुत सिंपल है. P of 2 फाइंड करते हैं तो चलो y के प्लेस पे क्या रखना है 2. So 2 square minus y के प्लेस पे क्या रखना है हमें 2 plus 1. So 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 कितना होगा? 2 and 2 plus 1 3. So P of 2 क्या आ गया आपके पास? 3. P of 2 क्या आ गया? 3. Is this clear? Done. Let's see third question. You have P of x is equals to x cube So p of 0. So 0 cube क्या होगा 0. p of 1 1 cube क्या होगा 1 and p of 2. So 2 cube क्या होगा 8. Is this clear? Done. This was very easy. Question number 1, polynomial was given and then you have to find at x equals to 0, at -1 and 2. So basically इसमें आपको find करना था p of 0, p of -1 and p of 2. अब इसमें क्या करना है? So polynomials are given and for each polynomial you have to find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. Is this clear? I have done first and third, second and fourth you have to do on your own. In the coming video, in the next video, I'll give you the solution. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.